What does equal employment opportunity mean for India's citizens? India ensures equal job chances by banning discrimination based on religion, caste, and more. The article prohibits employment discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, descent, or residence. It allows the state to make reservations in public employment for backward classes. Article 16 aims to secure a sovereign democratic republic state where all citizens are treated equally and fairly. Article 16 is merely an extension of Article 14, in which both the rules against arbitrariness and the doctrine of reasonable classification apply. The Indian Constitution guarantees 6 fundamental rights to its citizens, including equality of opportunity in public employment as enshrined in Article 16. This article prohibits discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, descent, or residence. It aims to secure a sovereign democratic republic state where all citizens are treated equally and fairly. The concept of equality is rooted in the Bill of Rights of the United States, which inspired the makers of India's constitution while formulating the fundamental rights for India. Article 16 was added to the Constitution to ensure equality of opportunity in government, employment and prohibit any kind of unnecessary discrimination. Was this verdict fair or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no. Here's what this means for you. If you're facing employment discrimination in India, file a complaint with the National Commission for Women, NCW, or the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. Save this video for future reference. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.